I thought I understood my mother's love until I became one myself. I didn't always understand you. When I was younger, I thought you were just there, always in the background, always doing something, cooking, cleaning, calling my name, reminding me of things I didn't want to hear. Wake up, eat your food, study, be careful. Back then, your words felt like noise, like rules, like something that stopped me from doing what I wanted. I didn't see the love hidden inside them. I remember those mornings. You waking up before the sun, moving quietly so you wouldn't disturb anyone. The sound of utensils in the kitchen, the smell of food filling the house. I would wake up, eat, and leave. No thank you. No eye contact sometimes. Just rushing through life like it would wait for me forever. But you never complained. Not once. There were days I was rude. Days I answered you with anger. Days I ignored your calls. Days I chose friends, distractions, and my own ego over your voice. And still, you waited. You always waited. I didn't realize how much you were carrying. The tiredness in your eyes. The quiet moments when you sat alone. The sacrifices you never spoke about. You gave up things I never even knew you wanted. Dreams, rest, time for yourself. All for me, all for us. I thought love was loud. I thought love was gifts, words, and big moments. But your love was different. It was silent. It was in the way you stayed up when I was sick, in the way you remembered things I forgot, in the way you worried even when I said, I'm fine. It was in everything. One day I started to notice. It wasn't sudden. It was small. You walking slower than before. You repeating things. You smiling even when you were clearly tired. And something inside me shifted. For the first time, I saw you. Not just as mom, but as a person. A human being who had lived, struggled, loved, and sacrificed. I started remembering things differently. The time you stayed awake all night beside me when I had a fever. The time you didn't eat just so I could have more. That time you encouraged me when I wanted to give up. You were always there. Always. Even when I wasn't. And then came the hardest realization. Time doesn't wait. The same person who once carried me won't always be able to stand strong. The same voice that called my name every day won't always be there to call it again. That thought scared me more than anything. So I began to change. Slowly, I started sitting with you more, listening more, asking about your day. At first, it felt strange, like I was learning something I should have known all along. But then, it felt right. I saw your smile differently, not just as a reaction, but as a reward for attention, for love, for being seen. And one day, I said it. I love you, Mom. Simple words. Words I had always known, but never truly felt until that moment. You smiled, that same quiet smile. But this time, I understood it. It carried years of love, patience, pain, and hope. Now I realize something. You weren't just part of my life. You were the foundation of it. Every step I take, every success I achieve, every moment I stand strong, it all started with you. Mom, you are not just my mother. You are my heartbeat. The reason I kept going when I didn't know how. The reason I became who I am today. I may not say it every day, I may not show it perfectly, but deep inside, there is one truth that will never change. I love you. I love you for every sacrifice I didn't see. I love you for every moment you stayed strong for me. I love you for being there, even when I wasn't. And to my family, I may not always express it, but you are everything to me. In this fast world where everything changes, you're the only thing that feels constant, the only place that feels like home. If I ever become something in this life, it will be because of you, because of your love, your patience, your belief in me. So today, I just want to say what I should have said long ago. My family, I love you. Mom, I love you. You are my heart. And now, life has changed. I'm no longer that child running through the house without thinking. I have my own home now, my own responsibilities, a partner beside me, and three little lives who look at me the way I once looked at you. I became a parent, and suddenly I started to understand you even more. There are nights I stay awake for my children, and I remember you did the same. There are moments I worry about their future, and I realize you carried that worry every single day for me. There are times I feel tired, overwhelmed, and unsure. And then I think of you, and somehow I keep going. But even now, even from far away, you still know. You call at the exact moment something feels wrong. Are you okay? You ask. And I pause because I hadn't told anyone, not even the people closest to me. Yet somehow you knew. There are days I struggle silently, days I carry stress, fear, and responsibilities I don't show. And then your voice reaches me, soft, calm, and full of care. Take care of yourself. Don't worry too much. I'm praying for you, and I feel it. I don't know how to explain it, but I feel it, like an invisible shield around me, like something protecting me when I don't even realize I need it. Your prayers, Mom, even miles away, you are still watching over me, not with your eyes, but with your heart. You may not see my daily life. You may not be in every room I walk into, but somehow you are in every moment. When I make a decision, I hear your voice. When I face a problem, I remember your strength. When I feel weak, I think of your sacrifices, and I stand again. Sometimes I look at my children, and I wonder, will they understand me one day the way I understand you now? Will they realize how much love is hidden in the smallest things? And in those moments, I miss you. Not just your presence, but your touch, your voice calling my name, the simple comfort of being near you. But even in that distance, I am never alone because your love reaches me. Your prayers reach me. Your care reaches me. You're not just my mother anymore. You're my strength from afar, my protection when I don't see danger, my peace when life feels heavy. Mom, you're my angel, not the kind with wings, but the kind who stayed, sacrificed, loved, and never left, even when distance came between us. And no matter how old I grow, no matter how far life takes me, there is one truth that will never change. Your love still guides me. Your prayers still protect me. And your heart still beats for me. I love you, Mom. Always.